Yeah, shorter.
But maybe
Same thing. Yeah.
maybe to do that again.
My name is Avi Cohn. I teach Ec 105, which is Principles of Economics for Non-Specialists. I have in the face-to-face section 500 students, and then I have an online section of the course that has 400 students. In my face-to-face courses over the years, I would usually spend the first class, in the face-to-face class, going through the website and showing students where things are. It's not fair to assume the students will just find their way. So I want to help them navigate that as quickly as possible. Once I had an online course, I can't do that, right? There is no first class where I'm going to do that. So I had the idea of creating this course tour. So it's just a screen capture of me walking through the various online resources and showing students what they are, how they work, and how to most easily navigate them. Creating the course tour is very easy once you have online resources on your LMS page for your course. All you need to do is use screen capture software. There are many different varieties, and they're all easy to use. You turn it on to capture whatever on the screen of your computer and your voice, and you walk the students through. Okay, here's where this is, here's where this is, here's how you move from this. We're going to use this at this point in the course, etc. It's very easy to edit the beginning and the end of the clip, and you upload it to My Media Server, and then you take the link that the My Media Server creates and you put it on your LMS page. End of story. For the instructor, the main advantage of the course tour is that you no longer get hundreds, because I have 900 students between my two sections, you no longer get endless numbers of questions, because they've got it. It's all been laid out for them in a very straightforward way. The advice I have for instructors who are thinking about this is please just do it. It is so easy and it has so much impact both for your students, but especially for you and for your workload. All you need is screen capture software, which the university provides, and a computer, and you're done.